Hello, all my dear viewers. Very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I'm going to explain you class 7th 5th chapter the open window question and answer. If you want the explanation of a further chapter from your book English Junction or publication Orient Black Swan, then touch the I button mentioned in the right top corner. If you understand the explanation of my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So, this is a question answer from your book English Junction, class 7, chapter 5, The Open Window. Theme is humor. And it's from comprehension A. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What was Frampton doing in village? The answer for this question is Frampton was in the village for a rest cure. This is the answer for this question. Now the next question is question number 2. Again from a comprehension A, answer these questions. What was the great tragedies that Vera described? The answer for this question is the great tragedy was that Mr. Sapleton and Mrs. Sapleton's two brothers went off for a day's shooting and never come back. They all drowned in a piece of bog. This is the answer for a second question. So the next question is, why were Mrs. Sapleton's eyes staying to the window? So the answer for this question is, she was expecting to see her husband and two brothers returning that way. So the answer for the next question is was Mrs. Sapleton's interested in what Frampton was saying? This is the question, and answer for this question is no, she was not. She was distracted and bored. So, next question is, what did Frampton see through the open window? Answer for this question is, he saw three figures walking across the lawn towards the window. They all carried guns under their arms, and one of them had hung a white coat over his shoulders. A tied brown spaniel was at their heels. He also heard a voice singing, "Berties, why do you bound?" This is the answer for this question. The next question is, what was Vera's explanations for Frampton's departure? The answer for this question is, she said that he was afraid of dogs after being chased by a pack on the banks of the gangs. She also said that he had to spend the night in a freshly dug grave because of the dogs. This is the answer for this question. So the next question is from comprehension B. The question is, look at the quotes in A. There is a two column A and B. In A you got some quotes written there, and then explain why the speaker say this in a B. Okay, you have to tell why the speaker is saying these lines which is quoted in column A, and you have to say why in B. So I just mentioned here in front of that. Here the first quote is, then you know practically nothing about my aunt. Here the meaning is, why I am explaining here, she's checking to see if Frampton is familiar with the Spelton's family and their history. Now here in this line, Vera is just checking the things, is that Mr. Frampton is familiar or not with Mrs. Spelton's family. Okay, next is number 2 is quotation is quote, you may wonder why we keep that window wide open on an October afternoon. So here the explanation is, she is setting the stage to tell her fantastic tale. She is just setting the stage, means before anything, if you want to say anything, उससे पहले हम कुछ एटमॉस्फेयर बनाते हैं वो किसी चीज़ को कहने के लिए, एंड दैट वेरा इज जस्ट सेटिंग द स्टेज. अपनी जो स्टोरी उसने बनाई थी उसे मिस्टर फ्रैम्पटन को बताने के लिए. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज, आई एक्सपेक्ट इट वॉज द स्पेनियल. Now here the explanation is, she is leading up to telling another fantastic tale about Frampton. Means here वो अब इनको मिस्टर एंड मिसेस स्पेल्टन को भी फ्रैम्पटन के बारे में कुछ मज़ेदार कहानी खुद से बनाकर बताने की सोच रही थी. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम योर बुक इज फ्रॉम नो योर वैल्यूज. This question is taken from Know Your Values. So the first question is, how important is to think about the consequences of what we do? Can we hurt others when we do something without thinking? The answer for this question is, it is very important to think about the consequences of what we do. We can hurt others badly and cause a lot of hurt and sufferings if we do not think about the consequences of our actions. This question is very beautiful and you have to think about the answers also. Answer is also good. So the next question is from grammar A sections. Complete these sentences with everybody, someone, no one or nothing. We have to take these all 4 words and fill in the blanks what is given in your book. So the first is already given, so I just written here from number 2 sentences. First is a dash is expected to come to school at 8:30 a.m. So the answer for this question is, everybody is expected to come to school at 8:30 a.m. Third one is, there is nothing in the box, it is empty. Fourth, they need someone to take their child to school every day. The next fifth one is, no one has seen Pratik today. I think he has not come to school. Okay. The next question is, it is from a grammar B part. Correct the errors in these sentences. So the first sentence is, everyone say that you are extremely rude to him. So we have to add here S. Everyone says that you are extremely rude to him, and all the things you just have to copy. Only you have to correction here, you have to add one S in says. Second is, nobody were at home at night is written here, so we can correct it. Nobody was at home at that night. Nobody was, we have to change word to was at home at that night. Third is, if anyone wants hot dosas, he must go to the dosa stall at the corner of SP Street. The answer for this question is, if anyone wants hot dosas, they must go to the dosa stall at the corner of SP Street. So this is the answer for this question. Now the next one is, someone should be able to lend you his calculator. So correction, after correcting, the answer should be, someone should be able to lend you their calculator. Lend you their calculator. This is the answer for this question. Once you read out the question, you have an idea how to correct. Okay children, so these are the all question and answer from your book English Junction chapter 5. So if you understand the explanation of my video, please like, subscribe, share and do comment in a comment box. Thank you for watching my video.